Once upon a time, in central Sulawesi, there lived a happy family. The family consists of father, mother, and 3 small children. Every morning, they used to have breakfast together, gather at the dining table and share a story.
After breakfast, and we going to the garden to walk. And after finishing breakfast, the father said,
Let's eat, guys. Let's eat. Makan.
Preserve the rest of the pies. I will eat it later when I get home from the garden.
Yes, sir, we save it.
The father went to the garden to cultivate the land, while the mother stored the remaining fish dishes in the larder. In the afternoon, the mother and her 3 children gathered at the dining table for lunch. However, when he wanted to eat, the youngest child begged him to eat the fish side dish that was stored in the cupboard.
Mom, I want to eat that fish. Son, take fish is for you, father. Please, Mom. Sorry, son, I keep it.
The mother became increasingly confused. She no longer knew how to persuade her son to understand his father's message. The child kept crying and didn't want to eat other side dishes. The mother couldn't bear to see her child crying with an empty stomach. Finally, she took out the fish dish from the food cupboard. The child is fed only a small amount of fish side dish until there is no more left.
When evening came, the father immediately rushed to go home. His stomach felt very full, hungry.
Thank you, Mom. Yes.
The father, who was very hungry at that time, could not control his emotions. He just kept getting angry and blaming his wife. It was getting late, but the father's anger did not subside but instead became more intense. His wife was very confused and said when facing her husband, who was constantly angry. There was not the slightest understanding from her husband just because his child ate the rest of the fish dishes he ordered.
Where is the fish?
Sorry, Dad.
The 3 children went into the sea screaming for their mother. After calling for some time, the mother finally appeared. The mother hugged her 3 children and then breastfed her youngest child.
Dad, let's go to the sea. Who knows mother will be there? Said the other sister.
Okay, sis, maybe Mom is looking for fish in the sea that there won't get hungry again. That's your sister.
Then why she's negative if mom is active? You can get angry or free that mom will be by that.
Yes, sis, I'm sorry. Answered the younger brother.
The 3 children obeyed their mother's message, but until evening approached, their mother did not return home. Therefore, the next morning they returned to look for their mother in the sea.
Let's go to Mom.
Hey, where's your mom?
My mother eat the sea.
Oh yeah.
Yes, mom. Yes, dad. No, mom. Lihat, mom. Yes. Yes.
After calling 3 times, the mother emerged from the sea. She immediately breastfed her youngest child with great affection. However, over time, without realizing it, the mother's body began to have scales like a fish. When the children came back to the sea, seeing the mother in the condition made them afraid and no longer wanted to believe that the woman was their mother. How sad the mother's heart was when she heard her son's words. She couldn't do anything anymore because her body wasn't what it used to be. Scales like fish now appeared on her body. The heart of the woman who at that time had transformed into a half fish was devastated. She didn't expect that her decision would separate her from the children she loved so much. She could only cry and return to the sea. Since then, she has been known as the mermaid. Because of her beauty, many people also called her Mermaid Princess.